Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to prepare this coat for a bath. Yeah, as I said in my previous video, never bathe a matted dog because the knots and mats actually get tighter and tighter and will be more difficult to groom and will take forever in the dryer. So this is Pepe. We also call him Pepito. He's a poodle mix with a long coat. He's not matted per se. He just has knots in his coat. I try to keep him brushed out, but you know, he plays a lot with his brother and, well, you know how that goes. Knots can be brushed out and mats cannot, okay? So there is a difference between those two. We're gonna brush out his coat using these three simple tools. A slicker brush. Again, mine are all chewed up. A comb, just a steel comb, basic steel comb. And a dematting tool. This dematting tool is pretty sharp. Can you see the blade? The blade is on this side and not on the side that goes against the dog's skin. Okay, so always place your thumb on this rest here so you don't get cut, because I've cut myself and it really stings. So be careful with that, and always put it back in its little protective case because you never know. I also like to use thinning shears. I just don't deal with small mats. I'll try to comb them out. If they don't come out, I'll just cut them out. So we're going to line brush with a slicker brush. Okay, Pepe, are you ready? Oh, on small dogs, I like to put the collar around their chest and like that, just so that it's not pulling on their trachea, because small dogs have, well, at least most of them have collapsible tracheas, so we don't want it to cause any harm. So line brushing is, if you will stay still, thank you. Hold back with one hand the hair and pull out with your brush the hair that you have in the other hand. Can you see the texture of the hair changing? This will ensure that every part that you're brushing gets... Don't lick me. This will ensure that every part that you're brushing is getting actually brushed to the skin and not just on top. Okay, so he looks so much fluffier now on this side. Oh my god, he fidgets so much. And now we're gonna check our work with our comb. So there's a little spot here that could use some more brushing. Just take our slicker brush. It's not gonna glide as well as it would if the coat were clean, because remember, this is a pre-bath process that we do. Sorry guys, you can't see that. There. you see all that? Wow, you're really making it hard for me today, aren't you? Always move through the coat, never stay in one spot because you can easily brush burn with a slicker brush. So move throughout the coat, don't stay in one spot. You could also cause baldness. Stay still, stay still, stay still. Stay still. You can do it, I know you can. Let's try combing his top knot. Oh, don't cry, this doesn't hurt. Still, up. No, stay still. No, it doesn't hurt. My God, you're such a crybaby. Yeah, you are. I like to comb in every direction, making sure that there are no knots left. Yeah. So that's pretty okay. As I said, it's not going to glide through as well as it would if the coat were clean, because there's dirt and debris and all sorts of, oh, you look so pretty, all sorts of stuff in there. So, but oh my God, you're so naughty. You're so naughty, but you're so cute. He actually isn't. I mean, he's very well behaved. He's just very fidgety. Anyway, so once you can get the comb through the entirety of the coat, you have successfully brushed out your dog. Let me see if we can get any close to being done. Okay, so we're pretty much done. Let's just remove this paw and put in back this paw so that we can get the spot that we missed, which is right here. Don't forget the tail. Tails can also become very matted very easily. Good boy. Oh, now you're gonna sit? Thank you. So this pre-bath process is very important. What was that? And make your future grooming sessions pleasurable for both of you. The pre-bath brushing also will remove any hair that is in the last of the 3 growth stages. Check out my other video to learn what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon. Leave a comment down below to share some of your tips and tricks. Bye! Say bye, Pepe.